few days, I started to, thought of going live, and as usual, will be having actually long break because of Chinese New Year. So, thought of doing regular broadcast, sharing some tools. Okay, let me check. We're going live. Yeah, so today I'll be sharing two tools, right? And as you could see in the title, tools about micro learning. So what is micro learning? Micro learning is a concept way back we have been using to unbundle curriculum or focus on one outcome or part of outcome and share with learners in a shorter time. You could learn some skills or learn something, you know. And I'll be sharing two tools which have like having this principle how we could design micro learning content using this tool. Um, First one is let me share my screen. Okay, those who just join and watching my broadcast, feel free to say hi and do let me know from where you're watching my broadcast. I'm using hats.co. Okay, the first tool I would like to share is very simple tool. It's actually called Wordle, right? So let me go type in Wordle game. So what it does, it allows you uh, a daily word, like you have this is what I was just now practicing. So let me upload the rules of this game. Very simple but very interesting. You have five choices to uh, five, chances to key in or guess uh, this word correctly. I'm actually bringing in the rules of this game. So if you notice, I just guess, I just put China as one of the word, and you notice here N is green color, so it means it's at the right place of this letter in the word, and CHIA is not part of the word. If it's part of the word, it gives you different color code, and I'm actually fetching. Just give me a second. I'm actually bringing in the rules. Okay. So if notice, I is the word, but is at the wrong spot of the word. Then anyone with gray background is not part of the word. So that's how you get uh, to guess like 5 letter word, and you have 5 entries or 5 choices. Sorry, 6 tries. Yeah, okay. And every day they will have a new word. So that's how you learn a new word in a day, with spending maybe 5 to 6 minutes, or sometime if you are smart enough or you're lucky, I would say, your first guess is also already part of the word or is actually correct guess. So it takes just few minutes to learn a new word, but the way they approach is gamification. They ask you and create this curiosity and challenge viewers, and getting very popular. Is web based. You don't need to install any app. Just Google or search Wordle game and you could find it. So let me paste the URL. It's called powerlanguage.co.uk. So let me paste in the chat. Let's see. So this is our first tool, which um, you can't edit, but at least you could take part and you roughly get the concept. And a lot of other platforms can provide crossword puzzle concept, and that's how you could actually teach somebody, every day some words. Okay, but this one is very simple, and a lot of people really having fun in guessing these words. And there's no time limit. You can go back and as before 5 minutes I tried this. Okay, the other tool which I would like to share is called 7 tabs. This is web-based also app. So it gives you 7 tabs, and you need to create different content of the tab. Okay, let me adjust the page. And adjust this. Yeah, so this how it looks like. Free version allows you to share one course, or you are allowed to create one course. So let me show you the demo first. So this is the demo course. So it allows you 7 types, 7 decks, and inside each deck is up to you what type of content you want. You can have. Let me show you. Spring back. This is how. Yeah, just like you can have a quiz, you can have a video, you could have even interactive content or AI, artificial intelligence, video, hotspot, and things like that. Okay, let's log in, and then I can show you. So when you click create course, so it asks you uh, add chapter. So course title will be there. Add a chapter. Inside chapter, it asks you like what type of content you want. So you click that and you see here you could have card, you could have quiz, audio also. So you can record narration, audio, and video also, and you could share link also. So that's how you could create 7 different tabs. So if you notice here, this is your tab 1 in chapter 1. Okay, so you can always click preview and see how your design looks like, and when you click share, you could actually share Okay, because this course is empty. Let me go back and show you sample. So this is where your course title is there. You could click preview. Hopefully this will work. Yeah, and then I can show you some sample. It's taking some time to load. It's a very powerful tool where you could create a micro learning lesson or chapter or content and share with your learners. And it can track even the performance and all that. So got some issue. I don't know why it's not loading. But anyway, you got rough idea how it's look like. And let me share with you. Click preview. I think this is the one. So you see, you have 7 tab, and first tab is the title. So you click it, it will jump. Okay, with the arrow. Go next. Click here to dive into the chapter. Why is taking so long? I'm not sure. Is it maybe my internet connection? Okay, so here you can select the theme. You have several themes to pick, and then you click preview, see how it looks like. You go next, share, and this is how 7 tabs finish. And then within 7 tabs, so that's another nice limitation that within 7 tabs you have to convey your message. You have to cover uh, the outcome or part of the outcome using these 7 tabs. And in these 7 tabs you could have different type of content, video, audio, text, quiz, okay, knowledge check. And as I was telling you, statistics will be available. You can click statistics and it will tell you who watched it, who spent where, which card got more, time. And maybe all this data will help you in designing more interactive and interesting micro-learning content. Okay, so by the way, by sharing this, I just recall another tool, and I will be sharing that also, and that is called h5p.org. You could use h5p.org as micro-learning content also. Yeah, so also very powerful, free tool. You don't need to pay anything, and you could go in and create different types of content. Check. Yeah, so you see this your dashboard, and you see here I have created some tools. So you could click, um, for example, edit, or sorry, yeah. So when you click this, that's how you could have different types of your content available here, and you could create your content. I will be going in detail later on, and where you could step by step, I will be sharing with you using my YouTube channel. So let me share my YouTube also, and feel free to subscribe my channel. And once I will go live, you could actually get notification. I'm just copying the link of my YouTube channel, and I'm going to paste in the chat. Or if you go click my profile, you should be able to get what we call link there, and that link will leads you to my YouTube channel. So once again, thanks for watching this short introductory video or live streaming, where I just want to introduce some tools for micro learning. And Very helpful due to attention span of our learners and the busy schedule of our learners, the life we are living in. These micro-learning content would be very helpful in engaging them and delivering learning and making learning as fun. Okay, so I will be doing for this next week detailed broadcast step-by-step guide using different studio because apps is following portrait mode, so I can't actually show landscape mode. So that's why. But anyway, those who will be watching my recording of this broadcast, feel free to comment. Do let me know which tool you are familiar with and how you're using these tools. And our focus for this podcast was micro-learning content design and development. The first tool I shared where you can't edit, but at least the concept was very nice. Wordle game. Every day they share with you five letters word, and you have six chances to guess. If you guess the letter correctly, the letter could change into green uh, background, and if it's yellow then the position is not accurate, and if letter got gray background then that's not part of the uh, word. Second tool I shared called seven tabs, so it allows you to create seven tabs relates to a topic or outcome to achieve, and each tab you can have voice, video, text, quiz. Very nicely you could share these seven tabs bundled together and covering one topic, and give you statistics also. And if you like 7 tab, the free version will only allow you to create one lesson, able to share with unlimited users, and not that expensive. If I'm not mistaken, let me show you the pricing of 7 tabs. I'm not getting any commission, but I'm just sharing with you. Yeah, $20 dollar per editor per month, and you could have unlimited learners and unlimited shareable courses. So free version throughout life, you can get free version. Let me adjust that. That's a big drawback of. Okay, share, move in. Yeah. So this is how you could get. If you really like, then go subscribe to 7 tab. And the last tool I shared was H5P. So you could create content, and also free tool. And there are a lot of different types of content. It actually allows you to create like drag and drop, creating knowledge check, interactive videos, replacement of Camtasia. I would say Camtasia is not free tool, but H5P they have free interactive content, video-based content you can create, and a lot of other features in H5P. So these are the tools which I shared for micro-learning content design and development. Um, I will be covering each tool in detail in next week. Feel free to subscribe my YouTube channel and leave your comments, and stay safe wherever you are. Let me stop sharing. Okay, so with that, I will end my broadcast and see you in my